Hello, this is me. I'm gonna be singing a song for you today. It's gonna be called Some Kind of Wonderful by Grand Funk Railroad. I don't think I'm a very good singer, it's just I like to sing, okay? Don't judge. I just like to sing. And yeah, here goes. That's my nephew over there, sorry about that. Okay, here we go. I don't need like any of this freaking background music because I can do it by myself, man. Fucking got this shit. Ready? 5. Cause I don't need a whole lot of money. I don't need a big fine car. I got everything that a woman could want. I got more than I could ask for. Well, I don't have to run around. I don't have to stay out all night. 'Cause I got me a sweet, sweet loving woman. And she knows just how to treat me right. Well, my baby, she's alright. Well, my baby's clean out of sight. Don't you know that she's some kind of wonderful. She's some kind of wonderful, yeah she is, she is. She's some kind of wonderful, yeah, 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 yeah. And when I hold her in my arms, you know she sets my soul on fire. Yeah, when my baby kisses me, my heart fills up with desire. When she wraps her loving arms around me, about drives me out of my mind. Yeah, when my baby kisses me, chills run up and down my spine. Well, my baby, she's alright. One second. What's up, dildo?
Why not being ripped off?
Because Caleb was being a wiener and ripped it off.
Wiener.
Well, I guess this is the end of the video. Cause fun while it lasted, but peace. Keep on rocking.